Hello, my name is Abby Wolf. I'm doing mechatronics at CSI, and this is my capstone. It's a top shelf without either getting a stool or climbing up on the wall, climbing up on the counter. And for a lot of older people, that's more difficult and more of a hassle in their lives. So, I made a cabinet that has an elevator inside. So let's say you have olive oil on the top shelf. A short person can come over and press 2 on the remote, and it goes down. You see how it stopped by itself? Because there's a limit switch here to keep it from falling off the tracks on the bottom. To make it go up, you just press 1 until it gets away from the limit switch, and then once you get high enough, you press another random button on the thing. Come over here. Basically, I'm using an Arduino with a bunch of code. So we have it hooked up to this Victor 888. And that that controls these 2 motors, these window motors. They don't back drive, which is really nice. I originally thought I was going to use a mini sim and what's it called? A pneumatic piston to hold it in place. That was too much work. So I made a transmission. Isn't it cool? It has this axle. It has a string that goes all the way down here. All this is powered either by a 9-volt, the computer for the Arduino, and then a jet ski battery that has like 20 amps. It's crazy. This all started with a design in SolidWorks. I got the dimensions off a cabinet my parent had and designed a transmission and elevator around that. I started gathering materials, and once the design was finished, I started building the machine. Once I got the transmission and elevator together, I realized I needed a circuit and some code to control it. I figured out how to control the IR sensor online, but I have some trouble figuring out how to control the window motors using a Victor 888 through an Arduino. Therefore, I contacted a robotics alumni who gave me a few lines of code that I could implement into my program. With a bit of troubleshooting the logic, it finally worked. I hope you enjoyed my presentation. Bye.